All right. I've gone through your computer's browser history, and you seem to have a type.
The Dark Souls, bitch! Wait.
Coming to the stage right here, live and direct, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Rogue Wave!
Hit him with the glitch.
We got Collapse. We got River. We got that French power with that Colombian flavor. One more time. Tokyo, y'all ready?
Junbi desu ka?
Rogue Wave, it's on you. You already know what to do. Let's see what's poppin'. I say the trois, you say the crowd in trois.
BEATBOX. GBB, are you ready? GBB, are you ready? I said, GBB, are you ready? You can't be lame and not get this. Check this. You can't be lame and not get this. GBB! Now get this.
What a switch.
Yeah, bye. Now get this.
Damn. Wow.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
What's up everyone, we are Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our videos at the GBB.
You can follow us on our social medias. I go by the name of River BBX on Instagram.
And I'm Collapse BBX. See you soon.
Something a little bit extra there at the end. Man, alright, so we have Rogue Wave here. You know, the question is, what happens when you put two of the best solo beatboxers on the planet right now in a tag team together? And that is the result. You know, you get absolutely highest of caliber of synchronization, team coordination, technique, like every aspect of what makes beatboxing in an art form so great, you know. And Collapse and River absolutely just came out and showed out here for their elimination. I think for me that's the clear #1 elimination, without a doubt, no questions asked, not even close. No disrespect to all the other teams. Obviously some other teams did fairly well, very well to be fair, but you know, it's hard to compare this to all the other eliminations when it was just simply like that great, you know. Man, I think, you know, coming into this, you've seen like the palette of like tag teams, and I think like for most people, I think the favorite was Rogue Wave. Even the fact that this is like hosted in Japan, you have a lot of favorites there for sure. You even had 4 total out of 8 of the teams being local, you know, from Japan, right? So, you know, for the other teams, like home turf is definitely something, especially when it comes to like the crowd. Obviously, you heard like the reactions from like Rofu, just like them coming out on stage, but you hear the reaction of Rogue Wave, and it almost challenged like how great of like a crowd reaction they had just from like showing up on stage. So you know they have like a massive fan base here. So not only did they excel in the beatboxing aspects and the art form, but they also excelled in the crowd participation, reaction, and crowd engagement as well for the performance aspects. So yeah, so many great things to pick apart from this elimination, but you know, it's the entire elimination itself is just next level. So there's not really much else to say, because what you see is what you get with these guys, you know. Again, like I said, 2 of the best beatboxers in the world coming together, and you get the best beatbox tag team on the planet as of today. So don't really expect anything less from that regard. So let me know how you guys feel about this one. Like for me, it was just a clear cut, you know, #1 favorite, #1 elimination, you know. I think for most people it'll probably be the same. I think everything that's below it, like 2, 3, 4, I think like 3 to 5 or 3 to 6 is probably the most debatable for a lot of people. But right after this video, I'm going to release my own personal rankings of what I thought the eliminations were in order of like, for me personally, the best to the least best. I'll also post that on my Discord channel, but first it'll be on my community channel on YouTube. But yeah, crazy stuff from River and Collapse. Honestly, coming into this, I expected exactly what we got here, you know, next level, pushing the envelope in terms of like technique and whatnot. So and they absolutely delivered. So if you guys enjoyed the video, links to original videos in the description. Go leave a like on the video. Go sub to Swiss BEATBOX, links in the description for the channel. If you want to support me though, leave a like on this video, sub to my channel. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next BEATBOX reaction video.